had teachers. Assalamualaikum. We are interviewed in Maktab Sains from Brunei.
So our project title is Bird Problems in MSPSBS, meaning to say that in our school we have a bird infestation problem whereby there are a lot of pigeons and swallows in our school where they find hidden crevices and ledges to build their homes and reproduce. So this is a problem because their birds the birds reproduce there, so they cause a health and safety problem in our school, especially to students, teachers, and the staff, whereby their behavior will disrupt learning, and their droppings also cause a health risk where their droppings can cause diseases. So we came up with two solutions. After long research, we decided to use a visual and scent deterrent. We found that birds have very good eyesight and a good sense of smell, so we decided to use a visual and scent deterrent.
So for our visual deterrent, it consists of a mirror ball and series of strings as the light reflectors. So for the source of light, we are using a push light, a simple one. So as it rotates with the wind, with the help of the wind, we will flash the source of light, and hopefully, and of course certainly, we already did our research, the reflected lights will deter the birds away. To increase the efficacy of this prototype, we are using a scent deterrent, which is lemon gel. So we will apply this to the surfaces of CD strings and also mirror ball. So it will irritate the sense of smell. We designed this prototype to make it environmentally friendly, affordable, and easy to use.
So overall, as you can see, our product is very effective in deterring the birds away. So this is the bird activity. After the installation of our product, decreases very steadily. For improvement, there are a few improvements that we can make, which is attach a rotator arm, so it will move easily without the wind. So another improvement that we can make is using a heavy-duty string instead of a thin one, as it will snaps easily. So lastly, we will use a concentrated gel as the smell will easily disappear over time. So that's our improvement.
All right, thank you so much.
I'm going to ask you a few questions, when you answering full sentences. So if I say to you, what did you enjoy? Don't just say fish and chips. Say, I enjoyed fish and chips. Okay, right. So, what did you like about doing the project?
You can go first.
So I think what I really enjoyed was being able to come up with different ideas, looking at different perspectives in doing the project, because we did the same project but in different places, and we came up with lots of different solutions. Even with the groups that weren't chosen to be here, we saw the different ways they did it compared to ours, and it was very eye-opening, and to see the creativity was amazing. Also being able to come here and experience this whole thing, it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so it was really great.
So I would say the part that I enjoy is when making the products and seeing how effective the result is. So I would say that part is the most enjoyable part, and it's very satisfying.
What skills did you develop by doing the project? What skills did you develop?
I think one of the skills that we learned that was told to us was that 21st century skills are important. I think this project actually led us to developing them more. 21st century skills like leadership, creativity, entrepreneurship, especially with the budgeting and scaling up of the product that we were asked to do. I think that really helped us develop those skills, which would be useful.
So skills that
I have developed probably is like communication skill, as the project requires us to communicate with each other to talk about the solution for our problem.
I think that's probably good. Enough. That's excellent. Thank you. Well done. Oh, no, just one last question. What do you take away from this project? You know, you've been solving a problem for your school. So, how do you feel? You know, about having done this.
I actually feel very accomplished. I feel very happy that we were chosen out of so many people, and there was a lot to learn from other people, the different ways we can solve the same issues and different issues that we have to acknowledge and learn about, the different perspectives and improvements that we have to make on ourselves as well. I also think this is also one of the way forward into our country's 2035 vision of accomplished, highly skilled and educated people.
So actually, I would say I am happy to be here, and then I am proud for my team and winning this out of all of those participants, like from other groups and countries. So I am quite happy that we won.